Kani kadega Batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balwan rasha pi da ka Orange Nissan, lom so po niya Fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
Haka sautarek mentau benar rempang arajar arpo, la play ba ya kerensan peninam ya ki drama, nakalangkari bat nabari rukumjo. Ya kebalatem, kum ka 21st Bharat rang Mohatsav International Theatre Festival, kebala Pynlong da ka Kanhon, jong ka National School of Drama Delhi, ringkat ka jingkersan lang, da ka Arts and Culture jong ka Sarkar Jilla Meghalaya. Haka ni ka Sngi la play ba ya kani kerensan, kabahan riau, Sngi Kyntiew, kaban kot hadu ka shipautarek mentau benar rempang, da menteri rang ba ka Jilla, Konrad kongkal sangma ubalalong kongsan hakani kejelang kepala Pynlong hasusutham auditorium Shillong ringkat kejinan lang director jongkatnat arts and culture kejela uba w nosiet bat kiwi ki sarkar hakini ki hinreu Sngi banwan nalor ki drama nakiken hon ki ba nakaleng kani kejela on peniru ye ki nyotli ki drama nakiken hon ki bala shempang haka Jingïalehkai drama bakantop ye ki sautli ki ba nakani kari India haka ktin Bengali Assamese bat Hindi. But lightly par ki drama ki day nakikin hon ki ba nakari Nepal, USA, but nari Russia, ki ban pani hakaktian English.
We are doing a lot to promote art and culture in our state and the region as a whole. You'll be happy to know that state-of-the-art Shillong International Performing Arts Center, we call it SICPAC. It is a 200 crore project. In fact, it will be a 250 crore project. Which will be coming up in Shillong and should be ready by the end of this calendar year. And that place is going to be dedicated to drama and different forms of performing arts. And the idea really is to make this center into a world-class center. And the building is almost ready. I think the next time we have a festival like this, we would be able to host it in the new performing arts center that is the SICPAC that has come up. And I'm sure that we'll be able to have better performances out there. Apart from that, that particular news, we're also as a government looking at putting up a task force to look into arts and music specifically. And it's an area which we feel can be very promoted as well as linked to different kinds of talents that our youth have and the people have, and also link it with livelihood in the long run. As you're aware, we as a government have also come up with different programs for incubation, and arts and music is also one area where we would like to connect the entrepreneurs that promote this kind of programs and drama and link it to the artists who actually are the performers, and then link it to the industry as a whole. And I think this link that is required in this kind of a setup, this incubation systems and centers will provide that. We strongly feel that there must be a connect of all of these things. It's only then can we have really the art industry and the overall performing arts sector grow.
আজি অত দিনৰ মূৰত তোমাক মোৰ বহাত দেখা পাই মই যিমানে উৎফুল্লিত হৈ পৰিলো, কিন্তু তোমাক বিচলিত দেখি লুকুটি নোৱাৰো। এনে কি দুখে তোমাক খেদিছে যাৰ বাবে তুমি মোৰ কাষ পালাহি?
দেখি জনা তাই নধৰাজনী কথা এষাৰি ক'ব খোজো
শিলাময় প্ৰাণত কোনো জীৱনলৈ দেখিবলৈ